Some people assume practicing the Mucusless Diet Healing System is supposed to be boring, but this is untrue. Practicing the Mucusless Diet Healing System is about what you bring to it. And if you are a fun person or somebody that appreciates and likes fun, then you will be able to have fun. And that's what we're going to do today with the Strawberry Grapesicle or Strawberry Grape Popsicle with Monica, Hannah, and Miya. If you're new here, I'm Professor Spira. I practice something called the Mucusless Diet Healing System by Professor Arnold Ehret. I've done so for over 22 years. I've been able to help thousands of people transform their lives using the simple principles found in the Mucusless Diet Healing System. Most people have no clue what this system is. They think it's something else. They think that it's really strict. They think that it's not fun. Go through the 7-day easy mucus removal system mini course, which is really what you want to do if you haven't read the book. That's going to give you an understanding on how rational, logical, and transformative this process really is and really can be. By subscribing, making sure hitting the notification bell, you ensure that whenever we post up things here, you're gonna get the message. Now, this recipe is part of a huge exclusive recipe library that is a part of Professor Spira's Mucus-free Life membership. When you join, you get access to the 7-day easy mucus removal system, mucus-free library, and we're adding to that content every week. Recipe video archive grows every week, every month. You can't get this stuff anywhere else. Access to our mucus-free social online community platform, our non-Facebook platform, a place where you're safe. It's not going to be taken down by the censors. We have to support our own platforms where we can say what we want to say, where we can have the freedom to do and say what we want to say when we know it's righteous, when we know that it's something that helps people. Join the Mucus-free Life membership. If you want access to all of the recipes that's not here, give you a little taste of what we have, you're interested in the support, structure, and accountability that you can only get in the Mucus-free Life membership, I want you to go down right now, click the link, no contract, cancel anytime, but I don't think you're gonna want to. Recipes, support, high-level dialogue and discussion that's being taken place on the forums. You're not gonna want to go anywhere. This is a frozen treat. Some people might have some reservations. Oh, well, that's not natural. You're freezing something. This is not the kind of thing that everybody has to use. I used a little bit of some frozen things early on, and to this day, I'll have some frozen things and blend it up, and I've done a little bit of some of this type of recipe with the popsicle. This is an excellent way to bring other people in. If you have family members or you want to have a party, you don't have to make a big deal that it's mucus free. You don't have to explain or make it into some big deal. It's just, we're having fun. Just like everybody else thinks they're having fun, we're actually having real fun because we're not damaging our body in order to have the fun. Birthday cake is not fun in the long run.
Oh man, that's just great.
You can have your birthday cake now, but then when the stroke and heart attack comes or you end up in your wheelchair down the road, and people say, well, isn't that a stretch? A little bit of ice cream and cake for your birthday. Accumulated year after year after year, you start to get pounds and pounds of the uneliminated, nasty, smelly, fetid sludge in the body that become the foundation of all these illnesses, that become the foundation of the premature aging and what allows somebody to get their body in the position where they end up in a nursing home. They end up in that kind of situation. Or you can make Strawberry Grapesicle, have fun, and be healthy, and you'll be practicing the Mucusless Diet Healing System, and everything is good. So I'm gonna hand it over to Monica, Hannah, Miya. Take it away.
You want a grape?
Lucky's taking my seat again. Hi, welcome! We're here today to share a very special recipe with you. Something that's fun for a hot day.
And it's delicious.
And it's delicious.
Especially on summer. It's the hottest days. The hottest days.
Yep. So these are strawberry grapesicles. So this is a very easy, fun, delicious recipe you can share with the family, and we're going to show you how easy it is to make them. All right?
So
what do we
you need strawberry, grapes, dates. You need the sickles. You need the sickles, the sticks.
and a blender.
And you also need a container to put them in.
All right, so let's start with adding the grapes. So we want to add the soft fruit first at the bottom of the blender. So that way when we go to blend, first the grapes.
And the dates already.
Oh, wow. Usually I add grapes first, then dates, so it blends easier. Yeah, you can help separate the grapes and get those in there. Some beautiful black grapes that we found, delicious frozen strawberries that we found to make it nice and sweet. And we add approximately 1 date per popsicle. So to make sure it's sweet enough, because you lose sweetness when you freeze.
So that means there were 10 grapes.
Okay, and a strawberry, please. Even if you made it all strawberry and dates, as long as you have some raw and some frozen, it's easy to blend without adding any additional water. And you could use different kinds of things to sweeten. I like to use grapes because they're very sweet. You could also use fresh squeezed apple juice. There's different mediums you can use. Fresh squeezed pineapple juice. And then I always add the dates because it kind of gives it a good texture and that extra sweetness you want in a grapesicle. Okay, the girls are gonna take over while I go put this in the blender.
We're gonna show you the grapevine that we have that soon we'll be eating grapes from. Teensy tiny grapes that will soon be a whole giant thing of grapes. Oh yes, I love green grapes. The other one's black. Oh look, it's done.
Right, definitely done. Take a look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, who wants to pour them in? Carefully pour it in each section. Don't fill it all the way.
I'll do half.
Leave about, I don't know, half an inch, couple centimeters at the top, a little bit more. Just a tiny bit of room, just because water expands when it freezes, so it will grow a little. I'll go grab a spoon so we can spread that out. It should feel, when you taste it, it should taste a little too sweet. That means it's just right. We made the perfect amount for these. Put in our little popsicle.
Hey, popsicle. That's not really a popsicle. You had an automatic freezer. What are you doing? Crazy.
Then we are going to freeze them, and then we'll come back and share the results with you. So let's say bye to our friends for now.
Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends.
And we hope that you enjoy this video.
Yeah. And that you make your popsicles at home for you and your family. Bye.
Wasn't that wonderful? And a nice, fun way to have fun and enjoy yourself. I always encourage people on this path practicing the Mucusless Diet Healing System. This system, this lifestyle causes you to be the best version of yourself. If you're a fun person, it's going to enhance that. Your creativity is going to go through the roof, and you start thinking of how can you do things that are fun to you. If you're a spiritual person, it's going to enhance that. If you're a intellectual person, whatever type of person you find yourself, it's going to enhance those pieces. Then there is a bit of balancing. You're going to want to then balance things out. Maybe if you're not having enough fun, find out what you should be doing to increase your fun. If you're not studying enough, then you need to study more. You want to be balanced. If you're not cultivating your spiritual side of your life, then you want to work on that. You know, and that gets into all kinds of big, long discussions. But the point is that it needs to be balanced. Everything I do, I have fun. Even adult things that's not supposed to be fun, I find a way to make it fun because that's how I roll. Practicing the Mucusless Diet Healing System for me is fun. Studying and reading the book and doing deep critical analysis of the Mucusless Diet Healing System is fun to me. Cultivating my skills and the self-help and going internally and working through emotional issues and past traumas and that kind of stuff. It's all fun to me. And so I say that as the theme for this video, to have fun. Don't be so critical. Don't be so hard on yourself. Again, I know some people are gonna be like, I can't believe there's a frozen, it's unnatural to have a frozen thing. And it's like, look, if you don't wanna have a frozen, don't do it. Don't use this recipe. But you gotta lighten up on this path, on the Mucusless Diet Healing System. You gotta lighten up. Because This thing is the ultimate humbler. The Mucusless Diet Healing System is going to humble you, and it's a good thing. So I thank Monica, Hannah, and Miya for beautiful recipe, beautiful video, showing us all, reminding us how important it is to have fun with this transitional process. Talk to you later. Peace, love, and break.